Welcome to our Latttice How To guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through editing an unstructured data product to remove transformations. On Latttice Pinboard, select the Edit icon on the data product. On the Edit Unstructured Data Product page, details that define your data product will pre-fill. Copilot Content Analysis will also pre-fill. Continuing on to Transform, you can note what rules have been applied to your data product during its creation and can select to review that content. To remove transformations, select Transform in the navigation bar. Then delete the transformation. You might then choose to select Content Preview in the navigation bar to review the transformation edit applied to your data product. Continuing, finally on to previewing your data product, where you can make changes to the summary, including changing tags to reflect the edit you have just made. The summary details make your data product discoverable. Once you are satisfied with the details of your data product, you can go ahead and publish it to the Pinboard for it to be discovered, used, and shared.